Hi, the professional resource that I picked is the Level Literacy Intervention LLI by Fountas and Pinnell. What is the Level Literacy Intervention System? The Fountas and Pinnell Level Literacy Intervention System, or LLI Kit, is a tool that teachers can use in grades K through 12 to improve the literacy achievement of struggling readers. The kits include intensive lessons that are engaging, effective, and efficient to support the growth of literacy of students. This intervention system is used in small group for students who struggle to read and write. It is targeted for students who are in the lowest tier of achievement in the classroom. They receive intensive support to achieve grade level competency for native English speakers and English language learners. There are 7 different kits for a range of grade levels. The LLI Orange system, levels A through E for kindergarten. The LLI Green system, levels A through K for first grade. The LLI Blue system, levels C through N for second grade. The LLI Red system, levels L through Q for third grade. The LLI Gold system, levels O through T for fourth grade. The LLI Purple system, levels R through W for 5th grade, and the LLI Teal system, levels U through Z for 6th grade through 12th grade. Using these systems help deepen and expand comprehension with close reading, increases student engagement with books that build knowledge, maximizes growth, meets the needs of struggling readers, and monitors their progress. Each kit contains fast-paced original lessons with captivating books that are created for specific grade levels. How to use the kit. The kit includes explicit direct instruction in small group lessons of 45 minutes 5 times a week. The suggested time can be broken up into 10 minutes for discussing the previous book that was read, 10 minutes for word study and phonics activities, and reading a new book for 25 minutes. There are over 100 high-interest fiction and non-fiction titles that engage students in learning. Through the use of these books, the system includes intentional vocabulary development lessons too. The lesson guidebook guides teachers in how to teach the lessons. It includes the comprehension, word study, and fluency goals, analysis of book characteristics, teaching points, assessing reading and writing behaviors, support for English language learners, and how to think within, beyond, and about the text. Thinking within the text means understanding the literal meaning by processing words and stated ideas through skills such as searching for and using information, monitoring and self-correcting, solving words, maintaining fluency, adjusting, and summarizing. Thinking beyond the text means understanding implied meanings through inferring, synthesizing, making connections, and predicting. Thinking about the text means understanding the author's craft and articulating opinions about the craft through skills such as analyzing and critiquing. By reading these books, students build knowledge about genres, text structures, content, themes, and ideas, language and literacy features, sentence complexity, vocabulary, words, illustrations, and book features. The phonics and word study section helps students learn specific skills through the use of activities that allow them to learn and have fun at the same time. They are a simple way to front-load vocabulary from the text and teach a skill they are struggling with. This will lead students to be able to decode more words when they read. The comprehension section focuses on a genre through teaching points. These skills are applied before, during, and after reading. Additionally, teachers can observe reading and writing behaviors that students should master throughout the lesson. Who can use this kit? These kits can be used by teachers and other professionals during small group intervention to give support to struggling students. Teachers will benefit from using it because the lessons are specific, well written, and with little additional planning needed. Although lessons are suggested for 45 minutes per day, teachers can break them up to fit their scheduling needs. The books are unique to the kit, so they will provide students with something engaging they haven't seen before. The illustrations are vivid and cover content of high interest to students. Since I teach third grade, I wanted to show you the red kit and all the components. So in this slide, you can see the teacher resources that are included. It's the system guide, the lesson guides, volumes 1 through 3. It also has lesson folders, student folders, stopwatch, and also prompting guides to help teachers use the precise language that they need to use to teach the lessons. There's also resources for the students, such as the books, notebooks, student portfolios, booklets, whiteboards, and highlighter strips. Of course, some of these resources we already have in our classrooms, such as the whiteboards, and since probably many teachers will be sharing the kit, it's good that we have some of these materials in our classroom already, such as the whiteboards, the highlighters, folders. These are just some pictures of some of the fiction and nonfiction books that are included in the kit. I really like that they also include graphic novels or graphic books because struggling students really enjoy looking more at pictures as they develop their fluency and learn how to decode more words. As I was researching this kit, I really like that they do have a commitment to diversity. My school is 75%, 80% Hispanic, so having books that are culturally and linguistically diverse really enriches our students, our community, and students will be more engaged because they will be seeing things that they can relate to and that they can read about and learn about. I really like how the lesson guide tells you exactly what to look for, what are the behaviors that you need to teach, and the things that you need to look for in the students. In this slide, you can see what the thinking within the text looks like, how the students can monitor and self-correct, how they can search and use information. They give you how to information on how to maintain fluency. So these are things that we can teach the students, and later on we can observe how they are able to perform. It also talks about thinking beyond the text, and for example, it tells you about making connections. We make personal connections to texts that we have read, to personal experiences, to series, to our background knowledge. So it really helps give teachers background on what it is, what the behaviors are that we want to see the students be able to do. And especially for beginning teachers that don't have as much information, this is a great tool for them to gain more experience in reading intervention. In thinking about the text, there's also critiquing and analyzing, understanding characters, understanding different types of text, biographies, autobiographies. I really like that they also have the part about critiquing because it's also important for students to have their own opinions. You can also do a running record, and it's within the lesson. So if you're doing lesson 112, as you can see at the top, then you can also do a quick running record. You can check their comprehension, and you can do this after you finish each lesson or maybe every few lessons, depending on the time that you have. In third grade, as we all know, students start taking the STAR test. So this is just another preparation tool for them to have and for us to be able to teach skills and the type of question that they may see on the test. And I like that they have the goal so that we know exactly what the end game is for this specific passage, for these specific questions, and what we need to teach our students. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.